inside, outside. The Arab and his camel. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside.
May I put my neck inside? It's too cold outside.
Okay, you may put your neck inside.
May I put my front legs inside? It's too cold outside.
Okay, you may put your front legs inside.
Can I come inside? It's too cold outside.
Oh, no, the tent is too small for both of us.
So I am coming inside and you go outside.